Owning a Books of Discovery textbook is only the beginning of your learning adventure. Hi, I'm Kennedy, and I'll be walking you through how to access some of our resources. Your free student resources take you from here to here. When you purchased one of our textbooks, you gained immediate access to an amazing repository of student resources, all aimed at helping you succeed in your class and thrive as a future manual therapist. And the best part is, they're all free. If you don't already have a Books of Discovery account, go to booksofdiscovery.com and click on Register at the top of the page. Choose the Student Registration button and then fill in the fields, including your unique validation code. If you have a printed textbook, you'll find your validation scratch-off code on the inside front cover under the silver coating. For e-textbooks, you will receive your access code from VitalSource Bookshelf. Access codes are also retrievable under each title in the My Library section of Bookshelf. Just click View Access Code under the three-dot textbook menu. Copy your access code and click Go to Website to complete your e-textbook registration. We hope you have a happy and rewarding learning experience. And remember, Books of Discovery is always available to support you in your manual therapy education.